Hola. Bienvenidos a la clase de hoy.
Hello. Welcome to today's class. I'm Valentina, your AI-generated Spanish instructor. I'm here to help you learn to speak and understand Spanish just like a native Spanish speaker. Today, we are going to talk about a fun and effective way to learn Spanish, watching TV series. That's right, you can improve your Spanish skills while enjoying your favorite shows. So, grab your popcorn and let's dive into the world of Spanish TV series. But before we get started, I have a very special offer for you. If you are sick and tired of using apps that make you sound like a gringo whenever you speak Spanish, and you want to speak and understand Spanish just like a native speaker, in the description of this video you'll find the link to get free access to learning Spanish like crazy, the original version. And you can get this app absolutely free with a trial subscription to Audible. Let's talk about the best Spanish-speaking TV series to enhance your language skills. These shows not only entertain but also provide an excellent learning experience. Remember, you can find most of these series with English subtitles, so don't worry if you're just starting out. First on our list is
La Casa de Papel.
Money Heist. This gripping Spanish series has gained international acclaim for its thrilling storyline and well-developed characters. It's a perfect choice for those who love action, suspense, and drama. As you follow the story, you'll be exposed to various accents and colloquial expressions commonly used in Spain. Next up, we have
Narcos.
a popular series that tells the captivating story of the rise and fall of notorious drug kingpins in Latin America. This show offers a fascinating insight into the world of drug trafficking, while also exposing you to different Spanish dialects, including Colombian and Mexican. Just be aware that some scenes contain explicit content, so viewer discretion is advised. Before moving on, make sure you click that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner, and then click the notifications bell. For those who enjoy supernatural thrillers,
Elite.
is an excellent choice. Set in an exclusive high school, this series follows the lives of wealthy students and the conflicts that arise within their group. Besides improving your Spanish, you'll also get a glimpse into the lives of young people in contemporary Spain. If you're a fan of crime dramas,
El Ministerio del Tiempo.
The Ministry of Time is a must-watch. This unique series revolves around a secret government agency that travels through time to prevent historical changes. With its engaging plot and well-developed characters, this show will keep you hooked while expanding your Spanish vocabulary. Now, let's dive into some practical tips for using TV series to learn Spanish effectively. Remember, start by watching with subtitles in your native language. This will help you understand the plot and follow the dialogue. As you progress, switch to Spanish subtitles and challenge yourself to comprehend more of the spoken language. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you found this information helpful and feel inspired to start watching TV series to learn Spanish. Remember, learning a language should be enjoyable, so choose shows that interest you and have fun while expanding your language skills. Before you go, I want to remind you that I have a very special offer for you. If you are sick and tired of using apps that make you sound like a gringo whenever you speak Spanish, and you want to speak and understand Spanish just like a native Spanish speaker, in the description of this video you will find the link to get access to learning Spanish like crazy, the original version. And you can get this app absolutely free with a trial subscription to Audible. So click the link in the description and get your free copy of Learning Spanish like Crazy, the original version.
Muy buena suerte. Y recuerda, la práctica hace al maestro. Hasta la próxima.